Hi everyone, welcome back to Master Designs. In this video, we're going to draw Chaos from Sonic X. Well, it's been a long time since I've drawn a character from Sonic X, because, well, you get the idea. Chaos is one of my favorite characters, and, well, he was from the first saga of Season 2. And, well, based on his design, he has the ability to, he's forged from the light of the Chaos Emeralds and the Master Emerald itself. And, well, when his body is mostly made of water and liquid. And with every Chaos Emerald he touches, he grows bigger and stronger. Well, let's just say he grows bigger, and even grows extra bones. Hold on, I just need to sharpen my pencil real quick. Well, let's get started. Okay, so when drawing Chaos, you must start with drawing the eyes. Make sure to draw them extra big. There we go. Make sure to draw the other eye as well. There we go. There's his face. Now we just draw the gills beneath his body. Well, beneath his head. There's his skull. Now we just draw the rest of his... There's his head. There we go, there's his body. Now we just draw the rest of him. Hold on. Where is that eraser? Alexa, play it again. Here it is. I'll just use this. There we go. Now let's just scroll down here. We just draw his huge claws. Now we just draw his small legs here. They're not considered small. And with each Chaos Emerald he absorbs, he takes on a new form. And, well, seeing him in different forms That's really exciting for me. Definitely worth one of my favorites. Now we just draw the fins on his back, and the back of his skull. And there we go, folks. Circle that. And that's how you draw Chaos. Man, he looks beautiful. Definitely worth it. Worth one of my favorites. So, everyone. So, what was your favorite saga from Sonic X? If you posted a comment below, if you guys are interested, please leave a comment below on what character you want on. What's your favorite part of the Chaos Saga, and what was your favorite episode in the Chaos Saga, and what's your favorite saga from Sonic X was. Be sure to leave a comment below. Okay, so that's how you draw Chaos, and what's your favorite Sonic character? Please like, rock, and subscribe below, and based on your comments below on what character you want me to draw next, I'll be there. And I'm never gonna stop. Alright guys, this is Kyle for Navina, signing out. Stegosaurus, see you later!